Bullish Chiliz cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 44 cents and 84 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept CHZ could reach 34 cents by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2023 is 7 cents. Chiliz presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to control its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer and chief of Chiliz. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing online organizations. Preceding sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intelligent travel guide, and Winamax and Chillapoker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business visionary who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to disturb the conventional games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage controlled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a portable application or web interface utilizing CHZ token. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's internet business store. What is Chiliz? The Chiliz stage was made determined to furnish fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers compensations for taking part in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is at present utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to partake in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz basic examination. Chiliz is a digital money zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chiliz is socios.com. A stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiliz coin to make secure, straightforward, and changeless exchanges. The utilization of blockchain likewise takes into account quick and productive installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are controlled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chiliz coin is gotten from its utility for the purpose of the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Likewise, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Organizations. The Chiliz Group has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atlético de Madrid, Paris Holy Person Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, Augasports, Galatasaray SK, and some more. Chiliz current value. Chiliz is right now worth 9 cents USD. CHZ has moved 1.94% as of now with an exchanging volume of $28,635,569. Chiliz is right now positioned 62 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $693,136,772 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Chiliz to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Chiliz market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Chiliz Value Forecast 2023. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The CHZ cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 14 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 13 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of 11 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Chiliz CHZ cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform 24 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the CHZ's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 19 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 21 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 34 cents and CHZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 31 cents and a low of 29 cents in 2025. Chiliz value expectation 2026. Assuming Chiliz effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 44 cents, with a base cost of 39 cents and a typical cost of 41 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 51 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 49 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, CHZ has a most extreme value worth of 54 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 61 cents. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 64 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 59 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 69 cents and a yearly cost close above 74 cents in 2029. Chiliz value expectation 2030. By 2030, Chiliz will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 79 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 84 cents, averaging out at 81 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme CHZ cost in 2031 is projected to be 97 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 93 cents. And generally, we think Chiliz is an exceptionally encouraging undertaking with a great deal of possibilities. The group has proactively gained